Hi friends, welcome to #me. Today in this video, we'll see about TreeSet in Java. So, what is basically a TreeSet? So, let's go for it. So, basically, what I've done, I've taken a TreeSet. To remind you, TreeSet is basically a sorted set, you can say, and sorted means it sorts the elements in the natural order in which they are inserted. So natural ordering sorting is possible with the TreeSet. That's a specialty of TreeSet. And if you want the elements of connection to be arranged in the natural order, then probably TreeSet would be. And you don't want some duplicate value, then TreeSet would be the best example for it. So I've taken TreeSet value. I've initialized with the new operator, and I've added the elements. Just for example purpose, I've taken simple alphabets like D, A, X, L, C. So in arbitrary order, I printed them. Added them. After that, what I've done, I've checked the use of inbuilt methods such as a descending set. So it should print the elements in descending order. In descending order, in the sense, the highest value element followed by the lowest value element according to. So X should be printed first in the descending set, followed by L, followed by D, followed by C, followed by A. We'll see if it does in the same way. So basically, it rearranges the set in the reverse order, ascending order. Descending order, uh, as your requirement. So when it's the need arises of arranging the elements in the descending order, so you can make the use of descending set. So you just need to invoke the descending set method of over the object. We'll get the elements in the descending order. But by that we have subset. Note here there is a subset. Here we have starting element, end element, a true, L true. So basically within the set I want some subset values. So it should print the value between A to L inclusive of A and L. So we'll see if it does accordingly the same. And after that I will just printed the entire tree set over there. So it should print. I'm just taking a lambda expression and just pass for using for each. I just iterate over the elements and printed elements. Now here you will see that these elements are printed in the natural order. So let's go for the output. Let's see what it prints on the console. Run as Java application. See, first output is TailSet is XLDCA. X being the character with the highest descending value, it is printed the first, followed by L, followed by D, followed by C, followed by as we discussed earlier, it's printed in the correct order. So basically, the TailSet is outside using basically this is a descending set. Let's say the right here. TailSet. We'll see what is TailSet. Suppose I use this out. TailSet. Perfect. Yeah. From elements, and it's true or false. So if I want from suppose X, and I will see with it's I'm given it as default boolean value as false, so it will should not include X. So it will print the below subset. So see what it prints. TailSet, nothing is printed over there. So what if I pass the value as true over here? X. Okay. So only the value of x is printed over here, the tail set. So if you want to print the specified element, you have to just you have to specify the element, and in the value of boolean value should pass as true, so that elements would printed as tail set. So there is a difference between subset and tail set. See, subset, it's taken ACDL, ACDL, ACDL. So it is printed when starting from A value up to the L value. So A is the starting element, L is the last element. But note here, as I said, it's internally maintains a natural ordering. So internally they had sorted the element A followed by C followed by D followed by N, and it has included in the output in the same order. So that was about subset. Initially it included a descending set followed by tail set. It specified only the value which we required to pass as true or false, and followed by subset, and in which you can include the subset of an element which needs to be printed. Followed by that, we have entire tree set printed at ACDLX. So this includes all the elements that we included in the tree set. They are printed in the natural order or sorted order, you can say. So that was about TreeSet. So we have explored some of the methods that we can basically use in TreeSet, make the use in our day-to-day programming, its essentials. So this video was all about TreeSet. More videos to come on you on Java related topics and Core Java topics. Bye for now.